turn me inside out and round, upside down. Boy, you turn me inside out and round. I know you got charm and appeal.
What's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see by the box and the jacket, these are the upside down Stranger Things Foamposites. And I'm a big fan of the show, so I'm super excited for this shoe. But before we get started, of course, I have to shout out some shoes. We have the Valentine's Day 4s. Make sure y'all go watch this video. Also have the Dion's, the Diamond Turf 2s out right now, so make sure I go watch that. I have the Kobe Hollywood 3D All-Star Kobe, so make sure y'all go watch this as well. We have the Jordan 10 Hydrangeas. Make sure y'all go watch that as well. So many videos. If y'all haven't watched it, make sure y'all stay up to date on the channel. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. I appreciate y'all watching and showing love to the channel. Now let's get started. So this is the box that they have. It has a world map on it, and then it says, from Beaverton, Oregon, Nike sports shoes have become the preferred shoe of champion athletes all over the world. Like athletes, we always keep trying to improve our performance, and we always will. That's nice. And it has some Nike checks around the world. Yeah. Has some detailing all around the shoe. It says swoosh, Nike and the swoosh name, and Tripe R trademarks. So it just has some little detailing all around the shoe. Also has this. Then it says Nike and Stranger Things right here. Open it. Nike Stranger Things. This is the paper on the shoe. If you watch the show, you know what the upside down is. So these are a shoe created from the upside down. This is how they look. Let me show y'all. Oh, didn't show the size tag. Let me show the size tag. Black, bright crimson, off noir. Those are the colors. That's how they look. It looks like it has like lightning all over the shoe. Red, yellow. Got some little speckles of yellow all around. Again, if you watch the show, this is exactly how the upside down looks. It's a bit darker. These are a bit brighter because it has a lot more red. These are the laces. We have like these rough looking laces. We have these like furry, rough looking, almost kind of look like spider, like a spider legs laces. I don't know if I really like that on it, but it's okay. This is what the tongue looks like. Then on this little pull tab here, it has like some detailing, like the same detailing all over the shoe. Okay. Also on this one as well. Then on the inside, it says, found you. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to flip them, but it says found you on the inside. If you flip it. Then on the back, I have this penny symbol We have a Nike swoosh right here. It's like a metallic red Nike swoosh. On the inside, it has some details as well. I'm gonna pull that out if I can. No, I got it. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm gonna show y'all the other shoe. I'm gonna show y'all how they look next to each other. If I can get it out. Nice. Now I'm gonna show you the bottom. These are like some details from the show, like when they were at the end of the show, when they were in like that world, they had like these little, like those little dirt mounds. It kind of had these holes in them. It also says Zoom Air at the bottom, and it has that penny symbol in there. Zoom Air at the near the toe, and then the penny. Got the checkerboard carbon fiber on it. I like that. Very nice touch. I like the colors. Yeah, I really like this shoe. I think this is a good shoe. I think they would have. I wish they would have released it a little bit earlier, like when the show like first aired, or maybe like for the season finale. I think that probably would have been a better date. These are coming out February 13th, among many other shoes, and I just feel like this should have had like its own release. Like it shouldn't have been involved in any All-Star weekend, Valentine's Day, anything. This should have been released last year, in my opinion. There's some real Stranger Things fans out here. I'm a real Stranger Things fan. But I think these are going to do well, simply because there's a lot of fans of the show. They may not necessarily like sneakers like that, but I think these are going to do well. And it's also a collab, so people are always going to go after collabs, and these are going to do well, in my opinion. These might hinder other shoes from doing well, now that I think about it. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up the review. These are the upside down Stranger Things collab with the Nike Foamposites. Very dope shoe. Definitely a must cop if you can cop them. But this pretty much wraps up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching the channel. Still on the road to 10K subscribers. And let me know in the comments if you are a fan of the show. If you are a fan of the show, drop some red and black hearts.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail like